my money. What I gotta do to prove I've been running? Show up with a duffel to the Derby City. Stack, shove it next to a big check. That's time for $500,000. Like Mad Diddy, no messing with me. I win a ship. Show out, buy a case of Bush and then hire.
There's something that always amazes me when we start a project around here. It's how fast that we make a mess.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Race TV Promotions Race Desk. I am PJ North here, and this week, right now, we are just 6 days away from the Mullis Race Cars Wednesday of the TV Promotions 100K presented by Mullis Motorsports Insurance. Man, we've got Tyler and Honey Wayne working on the car, putting it together. I've got some footage. I'm going to show you some behind the scenes. I can't wait to dive into it. We are so excited. If you are not there, we've got entries left in the 100K Shootout. Make sure you check us out, racederbycity.com. But in the meantime, thank you guys for joining us here on YouTube. Hit that like and subscribe button. You know what to do. And without further ado, let's get into some behind-the-scenes footage of the Dragster reveal for next week's Mullis Race Cars Wednesday at the TV Promotions 100K.
We got one for a box too?
I think I got it. This is really hard to figure out. I've done this intro thing every day, about twice a day, and it still makes me feel stupid. I have not figured it out yet. But we're in the shop. We're working on our Mullis race car here. We had a little issue yesterday with some brake lines, so we're waiting to get those. But those did come in this morning, as well as. So I ordered this stuff from Champ's Performance. We ordered it yesterday. We got a box full of goodies here today. Let's see what Champ got us. That grid race pack. Got a whole box full of goodies to start with. I'm gonna get into this and see what all we got here, and get back to work.
It's definitely a no for me, dog. The voice is just not there.
Does that still go? That still goes.
Welcome back to another episode of one guy that knows how to work on a race car and another who forgot what he told me how to do 5 seconds ago.
I thought you said you knew what you were doing. No, I said I think I know what I'm doing. Well, obviously a lot of progress being made on the car. A ton of fun, man. And we can't thank again the sponsors. Thank you guys so much for everything. We cannot wait to show off this car in just 6 days at Beech Bend Raceway Park at the TV Promotions 100K presented by Mullis Motorsports Insurance. Join us. If you can't join us there to race, join us on Motor Mania TV Live. We'll be streaming the whole thing. So we can't wait to see all of you. Just 6 days away, May 2nd through the 5th, Beech Bend Raceway Park. We'll see y'all there.